Hey guys, just going to give you a quick tutorial for the advanced group. This is for the question about the weighted average. A couple of you did get it, but most of you did not, and just didn't seem to know what to do with it. I think you should have, so I'm going to let it stand, but here's how you should have gone about it. Okay, we had a cabinet which had a mass of, I'm just going to say 70 kilograms. The weight was 700 newtons. So if you get really precise, it should have been 71.4 with G equals 9.8 meters per second squared, but let's just do 70 for nice round numbers. And then the books, hold on, let me do the little subscripts. The books we said were 12 kilograms. I'm just going to do C for cabinet. We said that the distance was 2 squares, it was 12 inches up to the books, and the distance up to this one was, what's that? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, so 30 inches. Okay. So what I was looking for was the y centroid, okay, the weighted average. And this is why we learned this the other week. You should be saying that it's the sum of all of the masses times the y distances, all divided by the sum of the entire mass. And by the way, you could have used weight or mass, as long as you used weight and mass both on the upper and lower calculation, it would have been just fine. We're going to use mass. So we say the sum of all the masses times the y is the mass of the cabinet itself times the height of the cabinet itself. That's the 30 inches. We're going to sigma, we're going to sum. The mass of the books was 12 and the height was 12 as well. That's a coincidence, the numbers are the same. The sum of all the mass is the 70 kilograms of the cabinet plus the 12 kilograms of the book. Alright, so this is exactly the same as we did the other week, and you don't need to do an X-bar calculation like a horizontal one, because the two CGs are vertically aligned above each other. The CG, horizontally speaking, won't shift at all. Alright, we do the calculation. We got 2100 plus 144 divided by 82. Pardon me while I pull up a calculator. 2100 plus 144 divided by 82 is 27.4. Being a little generous with my significant figures, since the original data was given only to 2, so it would actually be fine if you said 27 as well. Alright, that is where we will leave it. That's all I wanted to show you. Thanks for watching, I hope that helps.